So the idea that emerged in the context of a lot of the work that I've done in collaborating with scientists and educators and people from different disciplines is that they can all be very important, and that the current system is structured to primarily train people within specific disciplines. And I think that the quest to try to understand how you transcend those disciplines or how you're against those disciplines, it really needs to include them as much as possible so that we can build on a lot of the incredible work that's been done over decades, if not centuries, of particular types of knowledge production. And so the notion of omnidisciplinary is really just how can we be more inclusive and at the same time be transcending the limitations of the boundaries of each of the disciplines. I found this to be a very approachable idea because it wasn't so intimidating for people that were very comfortable with their own discipline, and for them to be able to see themselves as being included as opposed to being challenged for being too limited. It invited their own capacity for creativity. That a lot of the work that we were doing, particularly with the Worldviews Network, require that everyone provide feedback regardless of their training, but to provide input and ideas around what we were doing. So it wasn't like we would just have the ecologists talking about ecology and the astrophysicists talking about astronomy. I never knew where the ideas would come from. So I was working more with a collection of people than of trained scientists. And I found that the omnidisciplinary idea was very appropriate for that.